Happy Valentine's Day! Given the day, I thought it might be nice to share how I created this painting. I'm going to start off by doing a Dutch pour with some pinks and reds and a bit of gold against a white background. Once the Dutch pour has dried, then I'm going to go ahead and add the heart. I'm using titanium white by Amsterdam here as my base color. You can find all the paint colors and ratios listed in the description box, along with all of the other supplies too. I'm making sure I've got paint on the edges too, to help the paint flow over easily once we start blowing this out. I like to use my heat gun to pop the air bubbles, so that's what we're doing here. Now we're ready for the colors. This is Rose Pink by Liquitex Basics, Naples Yellow Red by Amsterdam, Primary Magenta by Amsterdam, 24 Karat Gold by Deco Art. It's their Extreme Sheen Metallic Paint, and Cadmium Red Deep Hue by Liquitex Basics. I'm popping some of those air bubbles again. And I'm using the lowest setting on this little hairdryer to blow this out. Adding a few additional details using the back of a paintbrush. Alright, I'm going to give this a few weeks to dry and then we'll keep going. So I'm going to be using a stencil for what we're going to be doing, and I don't want any white on the inside of the heart. So I'm first going to fill in those areas. I'm mixing up some light pink and applying that here. I'm cleaning the edges a little bit with a damp cloth. Here you can see the different shades of pink that I added. Right, now we're ready to attach the stencil, which I've done using some painter's tape, and I'm going to outline it in pencil. To help me see the lines better, I'm going to go over all of the pencil with a white Posca pen, which is an acrylic marker. In theory, I could have just outlined the stencil using the Posca pen, but the reason I don't like to do that is that I don't always get a nice, neat, clean line. Sometimes the pen smudges and runs a little bit underneath the stencil, which is why I prefer to do it the long way of using a pencil first and then applying the Posca pen afterwards. With that done, we're ready to paint this white. I went ahead and added the rest of the white off camera, and I ended up adding 3 layers of white to help get some good coverage. Now I'm adding a bit of shading around the heart just to try and make it stand out a little bit. I'm starting off with some Carmen by Amsterdam. I'm essentially shading the edge of this half of the heart red. I'm using a damp cloth to remove some of the paint and blend it a little bit more. And I'm painting the edge of this half of the heart white. I'm finding the easiest way to add this shading is to apply a thin layer of paint with one paintbrush and to then use another paintbrush that's been dipped in water to blend the paint in a bit. Adding a little bit more red on this side. And adding a bit more white on this side. Next, I'm adding some black on the outside of this side of the heart. Adding another layer of black to that. I'm patching this up with white to cover some of the red that got onto it. I'm adding a bit more white to the side to cover any bits of black that may accidentally have ended up on the white here. The black edge was looking a bit too, contrasting for my liking, so I decided to add a thin layer of red over it, which, and I think I'm preferring what this looks like. Now I'm adding a super thin line of black around this side of the heart. And I'm not blending it in or anything, just making a very thin black line. I'm patching up these areas to remove the red that got onto it. I really like some of the cells that have formed and the variety of pretty pinks that came through in this painting. I'd love to know what you think. Please let me know in the comments. Thanks as always for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.